Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by and joining the family for this little time, and I do hope that you like me enough to stick around and hang out and watch some more videos. But this is going to be my second video of the night, and I kind of got a whole bunch of subscription things like waiting for me when I came home, and I am such a sucker. I cannot wait. I'm like a child. I have to open them right away. I don't have the patience to wait. So that being said, I should also put out the disclaimer that I am a sweaty mess, so I apologize for that. I have very strong blush on because my last video that I just filmed had some very strong blush in it. So I kind of kept that on because I don't have time to change. I do have to go to sleep at some point tonight. But I'm going to be quiet and tell you what this is. fabfitfun. This is the Pinterest box. Now, I already got my summer box. I ordered an editor's box, and I had to get the Pinterest box. I know. Too much stuff. And they also had the editor sale going on today. I got a couple of products in there, too. I'm just going crazy. I'm very excited about this one. Again, I don't know what's in it, but I am so excited to see. I like the outside. It's pretty cute. Here is what she looks like. It always comes with a pamphlet, and I have to move this wire because I'm going to knock my camera over. So much better. It comes with a pamphlet, which is, this one's really, really pretty. And this one says Pinterest 100 Sage Metals Journaling. Oh my, which trend is right for you? This is like a little magazine that tells you the products and the prices of the products that you get, and then just gives you some other fun information. I just happen to love the colors of this. The first thing I'm going to pull out, let me show you what the box looks like once I tore open the tissue paper. I'm going to put it right in front of me. Hopefully I will not knock over my camera. Sea snacks. Fresh and crispy Korean seaweed. Okay. It's a healthy snack. Total fat only 1 gram. I don't think I've eaten seaweed. Let's see what seaweed tastes like. I guess this was big on Pinterest. We'll find out. Doesn't really have a smell. It has the consistency of phyllo dough. It tastes like salt water. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I'm thinking no. I'm thinking I used to try to get this stuff out of my mouth when I went to the beach. No. Coffee. As I try to recover from that, let's pull out the next thing, which is absolutely adorable looking. Charades, dipsticks. You know what this looks like? It looks like the sugar. No, not the. What is it called? Something sugar perfume that I just opened up. Talking table. Oh, how cute! It's like charades and a stick. I'm gonna pull one out and read it. How cute is this? Okay, so there are 2 sides to it. And like this one says The Lion King, and this one says The Sixth Sense. So I guess it's like charades, and you have to, it is charades, and you have to act them out. I'm going to have to get a social life and like have fun and try this, because doing it by yourself isn't very much fun. That's really cute. I'm not looking in the box, but I just picked up something heavy. Kind of heavy. Okay, this is from R&Co. This is Acid Wash ACV Cleansing Rinse. I don't know whether this is for your hair or for your skin. Okay, it is for the hair. Essentially, I guess this must be a clarifying, is it a shampoo? Once I get to the catalog, I'll read it. If it doesn't give me more instructions, I will let you know. I'm not sure if this is going to be drying to my hair. My hair is super dry, but it's interesting. I'm going to try it. The next thing I am pulling out is what is this? I don't know. It's in a baggie. It looks to be like a tag of some sorts. Oh, wow. Hold on. They smell really nice. Like leathery they smell. Why did I just talk like Yoda? Okay. It says, C'est la vie. Oh, how cute. I'm guessing this must be a passport holder. And this, it's called the Jet Set 30. Oh, actually, no. It's... Jet Set 30 is a code that you can use on this website to get something off. And on the back it says, Let's Jet Set. This is obviously a luggage tag. Perfect for a person who goes nowhere. But it's nice. I like it. The website is Jet Set Diaries, so that's what the JD is for. Okay, that's cute. I'm not mad at that. I kind of like it. Better than the seaweed. Tarte Lifted Sweatproof Mascara. Boy, would that be good today with the amount of sweat. It just cooled off a little bit, thank goodness, so I'm not pouring sweat like I was before. I have so many mascaras. It's absurd, but I've never tried. Ooh, I love this package. It's that like soft touch rubbery feel to it, like really grippy. Let's look at the, I hate opening it, but I'm going to do it. It's got your very short standard bristle. It looks to be brown. What color is this? I don't know if I've ever seen this on Tarte. Yes, and I'm correct. It is black brown. I don't usually use black brown mascaras, but maybe I will start using it. I don't even think I have a black brown mascara. Usually they send us black mascaras. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out is from Lorac, and it is the Pro Matte Lip Color. Mine is in the color Nude. I'm much more of a nude girl than I am any other color. Let's see. I don't have this type. Is this the chubby pencil one? Yes, it is. It is a chubby pencil with an angled point. It's very balmy. I don't think it has a scent. It's very soft. I think this is a perfect everyday lip color. It is very soft because it'll bend and break, so you gotta be really careful. And yeah, I kind of just like smushed it. See that? Yeah, just gotta be careful with it. I'm happy about that. Again, this is one that I've never tried before. There go my glasses again. I'm happy about that. Let's see. Ooh, yay! Yay! Kapari. I love Kapari. I have the Kapari lip balm. Love it. I think I've seen this set. This is the coconut multitasking multitasking kit. This comes with coconut sheer oil. This is the coconut sheer oil, coconut body glow, which I cannot wait to try. We are going to try that right now. Coconut melt and coconut balm. Look at how pretty this is. It's on the thick side a little bit. Oh my. Okay, maybe I wasn't so excited. Oh, okay, once you rub it in, you gotta really rub it in. Outside, ignore my scar, but look at the pretty glow that it gives you. I'm gonna show you on the side of my arm. It is very, gold. It's not bronzy gold, it's like gold. It's just subtle, and it's pretty. But this is I'm super excited about this. That's like my favorite thing so far. Guess what my least favorite thing is? Bet you can't guess. Bet you can't. Okay, this next thing is from Pier 1. We get a lot of things from Pier 1. Some of them are kind of tchotchke-ish, but that's okay. Ooh, this looks to be a vase, and a very pretty one. I don't want to get oil all over it. Oh, look how beautiful this is. With the gold on the bottom, this is like a seafoam green. I think I might take this to work and put this on my desk. That is super pretty, super, super pretty. I like that a lot. And there is one more thing left in this box. And it's called From Below the Belt. This is obviously not a belt. Oh, these glasses. I think this is a purse. It's not leather. It's okay. I prefer non-leather anyway. It's got these pretty gold studs. It is like a pebbly soft. It has a magnetic closure. And yes, this is just, it has even the paper. This is just a little clutch. It does have an inner zipper, which actually extends almost the length of the purse, so things won't get bounced around. This would be great for going out. As I look up close, you have like a rose gold and a silver stud on the front, and this is really pretty. I like it. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but I certainly like it. And that, my friends, is everything. I just knocked the camera. Is everything that is in my box. Let's go into the magazine and read up on the prices of everything. Okay, so you get the Kapari Coconut Multitasking Kit, which is here. And it says, glow, ooh, as I drop it, Glow Girl Glow, hydrate from head to toe with the Coconut Melt, Coconut Sheer Oil, Coconut Balm, and Coconut Body Glow. All the products are made from 100% pure organic coconut oil and has the safest ingredients. And that retails for $40. I think I can take my glasses off because this is big print. The next thing is the Tarte Lifted not a wetsuit, oh my god, sweat proof. What is wrong with me? And I really can't read it. Oh god. Fluttery and perky lashes, anyone? Apply Tarte Sweatproof Mascara for a volumizing boost. The budge-proof formula will withstand all of your trips to the pool, beach, and even your workout class. So I should like put this on and then like dunk my head in some water, like on camera, and see if it works. It may not work, but it may be fun to watch. And they're telling you how to put on mascara. Hopefully we know how. And this retails for $23, which is pretty standard for a Tarte mascara. This Lorac, woo, I'm a mess today. I'm just a mess in a dress. The Lorac Pro Matte Lip Color in Rose. You could have gotten it in Rose or Nude. I'm happy, would have been happy with either, and I'm happy with the color that I got. Finally, a lippy that feels good on the lips and will last all day. I can't see that lasting all day. It's too, it doesn't dry down. How can that last all day? No. It retails for $19 and it has vitamin C and E to make sure your lips are nourished and protected. Cool. Okay, so the thing that you could have gotten as either one of, you could have either gotten the Summer and Rose Ombre Scarf. I don't need another scarf, so I'm happy that I didn't get that. And that was retailed at $58. Or the Below the Belt Studded Clutch. Trend is mixed metals. The beautiful metal hardware along with the flap keeps the clutch edgy while adding a subtle splash of color. And it's $72. I've gotten Coach bags for $72 on sale. Just thought I'd mention that. It's cute. I would not pay $72 for it. Just saying. Okay, the other thing we got down here is the Celebration Talking Tables Dipstick Charades. Those retail for $14.99. This is really fun, and if you actually have people that you can do this with, this would be like a great night. Throw in a couple of glasses of wine and then try to do it, and that would make it even funnier. So that is awesome. I love that. The Travel, oh I see, it's cute. Oh my, I just got the idea of the box. Okay, let me briefly explain. Pinterest, they took a category from each and like curated something. Beauty, style, celebration, travel. The Jet Set Diaries Passport Case and Luggage Tag Duo. It retails for $28. That seems like it's a lot to me. Wellness would be this. Let me read on this. The R&Co Acid Wash ACV Cleansing Rinse. Okay, I'm thinking ACV stands for, I didn't even read it, but apple cider vinegar is what I'm thinking. The secret to effortless waves and healthy locks, apple cider vinegar hair rinse. It is chock full of apple fruit extract to protect smooth, moisturize, and strengthen hair. It has aloe vera juice, and it's $32. I want to smell this. You know, I thought it would smell really bad. It doesn't. Doesn't smell that bad at all. I don't know what scent it is, but it doesn't smell bad. Okay, so that was the wellness. The home is the vase, which, where did I put it? Is the Pure One vase. That's a sage vase that we got, and that retails for $19.99. That's really cool. And then food. Why they picked that for food, I don't know. It's from K-Pop Foods Sea Snacks. It retails for $1.08. It says that you can crush the seaweed and sprinkle over plain rice for an easy vegan meal. That's not a bad idea. I think it would be add some salt to the rice, but on its own, don't do what I did. So in here, they have the top Pinterest 100, and they have all the categories, and they have, I don't know what this percentage is and everything they're talking about, what it means exactly. I guess I would have to read, because it says, like, for example, foods, snap peas, saves plus 273%. I'm not a huge person on Pinterest, so that's why I probably don't get it. Then they talk about the brands and everything else, and they give you some cool recipes. They also talk about the customization and the add-ons that you can buy, and the select memberships. So if you're interested, really check it out. To me, it is $49.99, which, by the way, I'm pretty sure I can get a coupon. I definitely don't make anything monetary off of the coupon. It might get me something free, but I don't even think it's that. But you can get $10 off your box. I know that my subscription addiction has it. Cratejoy has coupons, so if you want to find one, you certainly can. And then it says, which trend is right for you? I'm just going to read my horoscope. My trend is lashes. Your love for freedom makes it pretty unpredictable what your summer activities will entail. So offer a sweat-proof mascara like this one. That's very cute. Did I even mention how much the box was? Did I even talk about the box? FabFitFun is a lifestyle, makeup, exercise, home goods type of box. It is $49.99 a quarter, which means you're obviously going to get one 4 times a year. You can also save some money by signing up yearly for the membership, which offers you some other benefits. I think it's a fabulous box. Out of the boxes like this, I think this is the best one that I've seen, and I'm very happy. I haven't been disappointed yet. Some of the products you go, huh? But, you know, it's fun. It's like Christmas. It brings me joy. So this was a long video. Oh my God, I just kept rambling. I gotta take these off. I gotta get my glasses fixed. I gotta find some air conditioning. But thank you so much for watching, everybody, and coming on this crazy journey with me. If you were new here and you stuck through to the end, I do hope that maybe you'll hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you like to stick around and see some more of my cuckoo craziness and some more of my videos. And that's it, guys. I hope you had, and I hope you do have, an amazing day, an amazing week, and of course, I will see you all in the next one. Bye, everybody.